Never lose hope in dealing with your fears and depression. When your fears and depression have the best of you, it is easy to feel that things will not get any better. This is not true. There is much help available in today's society, and the best way to deal with your fears is to find effective ways to overcome them. As a result, here are some techniques a person can use to help manage their fears and anxieties. You never know when the answers you're looking for will come to your doorstep. Even if the thing that you feared does happen, there are circumstances and factors that you can't predict which can be used to your advantage. These factors can change everything. Remember, we may be 99% correct in predicting the future, but all it takes is for that 1% to make a world of difference. Challenge your negative thinking with positive statements and realistic thinking. When encountering thoughts that make you fearful or depressed, challenge those thoughts by asking yourself questions that will maintain objectivity and common sense. For example, you're afraid that if you do not get that job promotion, then you will be stuck at your job forever. This depresses you, however your thinking in this situation is unrealistic. The fact of the matter is that there are all kinds of jobs available, and just because you don't get this job promotion doesn't mean that you will never get one. In addition, people change jobs all the time, and you always have that option of going elsewhere if you are unhappy at your present location. Some people get depressed and have a difficult time getting out of bed in the mornings. When this happens, a person should take a deep breath and try to find something to do to get their mind off of the problem. A person could take a walk, listen to some music, read the newspaper, or do an activity that will give them a fresh perspective on things. Doing something will get your mind off of the problem and give you confidence to do other things. Seek help from God. You might have heard this before, however, have you tried asking God for help? Praying and talking to God about your problem can be effective. Although the answers might not come to you right away, you can't go wrong on relying on God. You never know how God will work in one's life. All you can do is to do your best each day, hope for the best, and take it in stride by using the help of God. God will help us through our problems if we ask Him. As a layman and author of an anxiety book, I have done many interviews with various counselors in how to manage fear, anxiety, and depression. The techniques that I have just covered are some basic ways to manage your depression, however, your best bet is to get some help from a professional and not to lose hope. Eventually, you will find the answers you are looking for.